Hi everyone! So I want to share this verse po from Jeremiah 29:11. Ang sabi po here sa Bible, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." In short, trust God. Ano man daw po yung problem na nararanasan natin ngayon, physically, emotionally, mentally, financially, or even in your family, ang sabi ni God, trust Him. Dahil may mga reasons po si God kung bakit natin yan nararanasan. First, He's testing you for you to have a testimony. Second, for you to become a stronger. Para sa susunod po na maulit yon, you know na how to handle it. And lastly, para po i-bless ka ni God. Sabi nga po ng senior pastor namin, Pastor Ray Julian, kapag malalas na ang problema, disipiras na ng pagpapala. So, fighting and keep going. Stay genuine po until marinig natin yung word ni God na, "Well done, my good and faithful